Hi, today we're going to show you how to add a restricted user to your project. Go to the plus button next to your team to manage project team members. Select your user, and then select the role you would like to have, which is in this case restricted. Add the user. Now that the user is added, I'm going to go to that account and then open the project. So over here, the only views and categories that are shown are views that have a default setting. And as you can see, generally you would be able to manage views, but the restricted user, which is this account right here, doesn't have the option to add views, to edit anything, or to make any changes to what views they see. That is controlled from over here. There are many more views that you can see. And if I wanted to add that user to a view, let's say like this one, I would go to the view settings, and then it's currently set to everyone. And if when you have editor capabilities, you can add other users to the project or remove users with this X button. So I'm going to save this. And then when I go to here, I can see now that this view is now available to me. You will also notice that the categories that I don't have any access to on that other user don't even show up here. We just see room types, the default views, and any views that have been added. So that is how you can build out the restricted user role for someone by adding them specifically to the views you want them to be able to see. When they are in the views, they can open the elements, they can edit the elements, but they won't, and they can see all the elements here. So let's add a table view to make it a little easier. This is FF&E. So in FF&E, let's add this view as well for that user. And then you can also see that they can't even see the default table view, but they can see this table chairs. And when they go into the element, they can change and edit things, but they can only change and edit what they have access to, what they see, which is controlled by the view settings here. And another thing to note is that the fields that are available are also as if focus mode was turned on. So only the fields in the view, which are controlled here, fields for this view, are shown under the restricted user. And that is how you set up restricted user views.